So we made more than 200% on our Spotify trade for earnings this week. That expires today, July 26th. If you've been following our channel, you know that before earnings on this day, July 22nd, we published and shared this video with our trade strategy. And if you missed it, we'll put a link at the top here. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities. Now, how much did we make exactly? Well, let's take a look at the trade now. In detail, we can see Spotify rallied, but how much did we really make on this butterfly trade that we discussed on July 22nd? So we paid $420 for each of our trades. You can see that we're currently trading at the $320 price level. So profit of $1,059 per trade. Okay, so $1,059 per trade divided by the cost of 420 times 100 for percentage is 252% profit. Okay, so that's how we were able to make this much by analyzing the unusual option activity and trading with this strategy that we had detected. So keep in mind, this is an earnings trade, so typically they are higher risk, but we are still able to make this much. So imagine the trades that we are in that do not have the earnings risk. Okay, we're using the same analyses, and we also use option strategies to reduce our risk in order to increase our profits. For this trade, you can see the market is going to close very soon, and so we will have to be closing out of these options. They're deep in the money, especially this long call here that is very deep now, and we can sell back to the market. So this is how we traded Spotify to make this much profit in such a short amount of time. If you are interested and missed this video and want to learn in hindsight how we were able to do this, we'll put a link over here. And as usual, make sure to go to our website if you want the higher chance of profit trades, not with the higher risk from earnings like this one. Please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a great day.